more fury of monsoon. Heavy rainfall also affected life in parts of Vijaypur and Belagavi district in Karnataka. As many as 6 bridge cum barrages came under the water of rivers or streams in Vijaypur district. Now, traffic over the bridge at Talikot over the Doni was stopped for a few hours. Vehicles were diverted to a route via Mukihal and Minijagi. Now, officials say that about 19 houses have been damaged in heavy rain in Vijaypur district. Visuals on your screen showing you water entering the residential areas. This is essentially because rivers in the area have been swelling up due to continuous rainfall, and the overflowing rivers have now entered residential areas. The water from overflowing rivers essentially entering residential areas and disrupting the life of people. As far as the damage goes, about 19 houses have been damaged in heavy rain in the Vijaypur district. In fact, as many as 6 bridge cum barrages came under the water of rivers in Vijaypura district. Rivers have been swelling up due to continuous rainfall, and the river from these waters is now entering the residential areas, causing major disruptions for people. Several districts have been impacted, including Vijaypura and Belagavi in Karnataka. Monsoon fury at display in Karnataka as well. Overflowing rivers causing disruption. Continuous rainfall is leading to swelling up of rivers, due to which the overflowing water has now entered residential areas, causing major disruptions for people in the districts of Vijaypura and Belagavi. Visuals on your screen also showing you how bridges have been impacted. In fact, as many as 6 bridge cum barrages came under the waters of rivers in Vijaypura district.